Hey, good evening guys and welcome back to Kotse Vlogs. It's me again, OJ. So, for today's segment, very kakaiba yung segment natin today dahil wala ako sa kotse. But, for today, we will be having a food review. So, we have some food here from Katei Manila. So, I'll be sharing this dun sa description box kung ano yung si Katei Manila. So, si Katei Manila, it's parang homemade Japanese cuisine or food from my classmates. Classmate nung classmates talaga, no? Nung classmate ko nung college, si Michiko. So, shout out and thank you, Katei Manila. And then, recently, she established yung kanilang small business na Katei Manila. And together with her mom. So, we'll try the food. So, andito sila. Ayan sila guys, pakita sa inyo. Tadaan! Ayan. So, we have chicken karage. Then, we have yung parang ramen nila. So, ayan siya. Ooh! Sarap. And then, of course, yung famous na kilala natin Japanese Gyoza. Perfect. And then, ito yung parang mushroom rice nila. Pero mamaya while eating, let's have review nung mga ano ba yung mismong in-order namin. Ayan. And then, yung katsu. Yung parang chicken ng katsu. Ayan. Okay, so let's start first doon sa yung sa parang omelette muna. Let's try to eat. Chopsticks, guys. Okay, so let's try yung kanilang egg omelette. Sarap to. Let's try. A bite, take a bite. Yan. So, tikman na natin. Yung iba. So, meron tayong gyoza dito. Okay. So, yung kanina pala, yung rolled omelette. Ito yung Tamagoyaki. Yun pala yung tawag doon. So, it's rolled omelette. Tamagoyaki is a classic Japanese seasoned folded omelette, commonly served as a part of traditional breakfast in Japan. Kaya sarap niya guys. Kaya nga hindi pang breakfast, feeling ko okay siya. Kasi yung texture ng egg, very soft, tas very sweet din. Yun, so perfect siya. So next, we have gyoza. So it is a Japanese dumplings or a Japanese half-moon shaped dumplings filled with ground meat, vegetables, and wrapped in a thin dough. Yan, so here's the gyoza. Wow! Yan. And here's the sauce. Okay, let's try it. Hindi nag-overpower yung meat and then yung vegetables na and then yung sauce bagay siya dun sa mismong gyoza itself. Then medyo fried yung ito yung gusto ko sa gyoza guys, yung medyo fried yung itong part na to. Ito isa itong part na to, yan masarap siyang lalo na pag mainit, so sobrang perfect siya tapos may rice ka, sarap. So another bite. Kaya talaga ako food vlogging. Pero first time ko mag-food vlog. Pero usually, out of concept ni Coach Vlog. Pero this is something that I'll be looking forward to do also, the food reviews. Bilang hilig ko kumain, magkape, and whatsoever. Ayan. Next we have the this is my favorite Japanese food. Chicken karage. So for Katei Manila's menu, karage, so it's a deep marinated chicken. Karage is a classic delicious izakaya or bento box favorite composed of crunchy deep fried bite-sized marinated chicken. So ayun, sarap nito kasi ewan ko, sa lahat ng Japanese food, yung karage talaga, isa mga go-to food ko to. Usually, ano ba yung mga Japanese restaurant na basta hindi ako yung name ng Japanese restaurant. Pero usually, yung mga napunta akong Japanese restaurant, I always look for a karage. Yan. So, this is the chicken karage. Uy! Sarap! So, let's take one. Kakaiba siya sa lahat ng karage. To be honest with you, this is not the usual taste of the karage na natitikman mo from other Japanese store. So this is very chunky yung chicken niya. Hindi din overpower yung pagkaka-marinate sa chicken. And what is the parang highlight ng lasa niya is, alam niyo yung simple lang yung lasa niya pero masarap. Kasi light flavored siya na chicken karage mismo. Parang hindi siya talaga yung minsan kasi may chicken karage na babad sa mantika, not mantika actually. Yung flavor minsan babad parang sa butter o sobrang tamis naman. Ito kasi yung original taste talaga ng chicken niya. Yan. Okay, so another bite. Let's finish na one piece chicken karage. The other food next is the okay. So, kung may katsu doon, meron din tayong tinatawag na Oyakodon. Okay, so it's chicken and egg rice bowl with classic soul food of it's a classic soul food of Japan with tender pieces of chicken and sweet onions simmered in a sweet and savory dashi. So, literal translation of Oyakodon means parent and child rice bowl. So, usually, sa tayong mga yung common na chicken and egg. Diba? Ang partner yung lagi. So, pag may chicken ka, dapat meron ka. Nice! Ngayon ko lang ito nalaman, guys, yung parang how word the food is originated and lalo na sa Japanese food where ano yung parang culture background ng kinakain nila. So, diba? So, yun. So, now let's scoop a chicken Oyakodon. So, ito siya. Woo! Guys, nabot tong chicken niya, best paired with egg, and yung taste niya, hindi na siya sobrang tamis, hindi rin siya over flavored. Tsaka yung pantay, yung well-balanced, yung mismong Oyakodon na parang rice and chicken and egg. Sarap. Next, so meron last food menu dito. We have ito yung Yakimeshi. So ayan. Yan, Yakimeshi. Yan. Okay, so sabi dito sa Katei Manila menu, Yakimeshi is a Japanese fried rice. Yakimeshi means fried rice. Diba? Redundant ko lang. Binasan ko ulit. It's another staple dish for Japanese people. Yakimeshi has a simple homemade flavor that reminds you of mom's cooking. Oh, diba usually mga parents natin, they usually cook fried rice. So parang ang understanding ko when sa Japan, this rice meal will be reminded yung paano nagluluto yung mga moms natin ng fried rice natin here sa yung culture natin as a Filipino. So let's try. Guys, sa mahilig sa fried rice sa Japanese, this is perfect for you. Yung flavor niya, very match to each other, yung ingredients. Parang meron ako certain Japanese food na nire-record ko kung anong kalasa niya, pero ang sarap. Especially meron sa mushroom. Let's try with vegetarian Karage. So, here. We're done with the 5 menus that we have from Katei Manila. So overall, 5 out of 5. So good job, Katei Manila. So thank you for opening and bringing home Japanese cuisine near to sa amin yung mga talagang to really look forward for Japanese food. Since it's another parang counterpart na rather eating from the restaurant or parang mga fusion ng Japanese. Siguro what I think and my feedback with the products of Katei Manila, it's really homemade. And ako din kasi since kilala ko din sila, I know the Japanese culture is embedded dun sa part ng business ko. And it's really nice na dun sa menu nyo guys, during this, I'll be sharing also on the description box yung link where you can order and also ask questions about the products and ano pa ba yung mga other in-offer ni Katei Manila. Yun. So, I really enjoyed this simple food review natin and hopefully looking forward to more food reviews in the future, especially when it comes to drinks, coffee, and ano ba yung mga other food places that we can visit na mga hindi pa tayo familiar na mga lugar or mga food stop. Okay, so that's it. And also guys, please don't forget to subscribe and like this video. So if you have any other feedbacks or mga gusto nyo comment suggestions, please do so and I will be appreciated. Have those on my next coming video. So again guys, thank you for watching Katei Vlogs. Bye everyone!